Hey everyone, welcome to episode 7 of our sales course, where in this video we'll be talking about our quotation template. Y'all know time is everything, and here I am with this quotation template, which is actually going to save a lot of your time. So by the name itself, you might have understood what it is. It's a template that we pre-create so that you can use it anywhere needed, not anywhere, inside the quotation when needed. So this is going to save a lot of your time. So come with me, let's learn together. So guys, let's begin. So in this video, we'll be talking about the quotation template. Okay. So first of all, we need the sales module. I'm opening the sales. So if you frequently send, similar quotations to customers, manually adding the same products and terms every time, it can be repetitive, right? So in that cases, you can make use of this quotation template. So in this dashboard, you can actually see the quotations and you know how the workflow is. I'll talk about it. So let's create template, and before creating the quotation template, let's ensure that it has been, enabled. So inside the configuration, you have a lot of things. I hope you guys know that. And here you have the quotations and orders section, under which you have the quotation template. So you have to make sure you enable it. Okay, if it's disabled, you have to enable it, and then not just enabling will do. You have to click on the save once you do any kind of changes in the configuration settings. Okay, so after saving, if you go to the configuration, you will see a new menu which is called the quotation template. So mine was already enabled, and I mean it's already there. So this is the quotation template. I'll click on that. Where will you find the quotation template? Inside the configuration, quotation template. Okay, these are the pre-created templates, and let's create one, or our first quotation template. Okay, for that, click on new, and you should start by giving the template a meaningful name so it can be easily identified later. So what will we give? Here you have an example saying standard consultancy package. I'll simply name it as standard office furniture package or something like that. So this is the name of my quotation template, standard office furniture package. Okay. So we have set the name of the template. Next is the validity period. So you have to set a quotation validity period. Like, you can define how many days the quotation remains valid after being sent to the customer. So you can set the date over here. I'll simply remove this unnecessary notifications, and I'll set it as 20 days. The validity is set as 20 days. And then you have to, like, I'm talking about the basic things first, okay? The very first thing is to set a name, then set the validation, and next is to add the product. Okay, so you have to add products to the template. What kind of products will you add? First, I'll add office chair. Okay, the product is added. The quantity can be set over here. I'll set it to 5. Now, if there is any desk, it's office furniture, right? So I'll add some kind of desk. Let it be customizable desk, white, custom, 5. Okay, so if you want to add any kind of cabinets, I'm adding this large cabinet. Okay, so I've added these 3 products in the order lines. Okay, so this should automatically appear whenever the template is used. So you can specify the quantities, unit prices, and the product details here. So the quantity and unit is already given over here. And here comes the terms and condition. You can set the terms and condition, and this will show up if you select this quotation template. Okay, so it can be anything, like if you want to add a term or a condition like deliver within 7 business day, payment due within 30 days, or something like that, that can be mentioned over here. So you can also include these predefined terms and conditions, and this ensures the consistency across all quotations which are sent by your sales team. Okay, so once everything is done, then you have this recurring plan. If you want to repeat this plan for, a monthly basis or 6 months or yearly, that recurring plan, recurring, I mean, the word meaning itself means like it something that repeats, right? Like kind of a subscription and all. So you can name it, I mean, give a plan if required. Then you can set a confirmation mail, the invoicing journal, the code calculator, online signature, online payment, and all will be automatically turned on. Okay. So mine is created and I have saved it. So the name of my quotation is Standard Office Furniture Package, and our quotation template is now ready to use. Okay. So we have created a template. Now, where can we use it? We have not yet reached the quotation area, right? So go to the orders where you can find the menu which is called the quotations. And inside the quotation, simply click on new, which will take you to the quotation creation form. Okay. So let's see the real advantage of quotation template. When creating a quotation, you don't have to, like, normally what you do is add the customer, add and fill up all the details, add the product lines, and yeah, it is going to, I mean, it's not going to take a lot of your time, but still, according to whatever you have to add, it takes a bit of your time. So what you have to do is, when creating the quotation, simply select the template. Okay. So here you have the quotation template. I'm adding the template and boom, everything has come up over here. The expiration has come. Only thing is you have to add a customer. That's it. All other details have come automatically. So as you can see, all predefined information is automatically inserted, significantly reducing your manual work. Okay. So even after applying a template, you can still make changes for a specific customer. If you want to change the quantity or the unit price, everything can be changed. There is nothing like that. Okay. So that is also convenient. I mean, it makes you convenient to deal with the quotations. Like any kind of, now, there might be situations, most of the time there might be situations where you have to do any kind of alteration over the product or the, you know, quantity, the unit price and all such things. So in that cases, you don't have to stick on to the thing that we have set up onto the, you know, template. You can simply change it over the order lines. Okay. So that is another thing. Like, this is what, you know, the flexibility is called as. So this allows you to combine the, you know, standardization with customer specific requirements. And this quotation template provides several benefits. What are they? Faster quotation creation. That's what I've already said, because it's going to save a lot of your time. It doesn't take that much time like that of creating a manual quotation. No. Then it has a very standardized terms and condition as you give in the template. It has got improved efficiency for sales team, reduces manual errors, and yeah, this is the quotation template. So in this video, we have learned how to use the quotation template. Once you're done with it, you can save it and complete the procedure. I know if I talk about the procedure and all, you guys might be a lot of confusion. I mean, a lot of confusion. So don't worry, this is what quotation template is. And soon in the next episode, we'll be talking about creation of a quotation. So don't worry. I hope that is clear for y'all, and make sure that you use these templates. These are all features which are going to save a lot of your time. That's it, guys. So that's how easily you can use and create the quotation template. I hope that was clear for y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.